Ka Sorkar Jela kala sedang Pynkhreh Banchna la ka jong ka Electoral Roll na ka benta ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC hadian ba ulat ka Jela UCH Vijay Shankar ula ay ka jing menjur ya ka amendment ka bakhang persya ki bomday riulum bakin ya khun ya ka election ka council. Sembut Menteri Rangba ubakmi ikatanat District Council Affairs DCA ubak Preston Tensong ula pentikna haka arpsau trik leber baka Sorkar kan sathoru syaka Khazi Hills ba Giant Hills Autonomous District Council ban kentu bakin penkelano yalaki jongki rules. Habakren syakilat pathai khubor ubak Preston ulaong baka Sorkar kala ban wengno ya ka rai penjelan ba hnriu benai ya ka samoy trekam ka GHADC wat hadin ka jing menjur jong ulan. Syak bangan bata ya pi ngisngongu shibun ya ulat ubala ay jing menjur ya ka amendment bala menjur da ka GHADC ha ka bayade bat ka rule 8 ha ka bala bujli da ka kentin tang ki schedule tribe. Menta ka sngi ulat ula menjur ya ka bat menta ka amendment kala trekam ulaong. Ula batai ru baka sinjam ka babuat menta ka long ban khmi benia ya ki kerteng jong kinong tep vote. Ngin hab ban khmi benia biang ya ka electoral roll. Lasyai ka singin sakhot ya ka jingalang ban yakren sani bad on sa aya ka jing betha ka badan kam sya ka GHADC benrap ubak Preston. Habakeli la ka don kam ne la ka jong ka electoral roll ula jubab hoot ka don kam la ka jong ka electoral roll na ka benta ka GHADC. Kalong ka badan kam namar ka khasi bad Giantia District Council ngidon ya ka electoral roll tang ya ki nong tap vote ki badai ki riulum. Menta namar ka amendment kala trekam ngi habban pentrekam ya ka kumbala le khasi bat Giantia. Ubak Preston ulaong baka Sorkar kan sapharu da ka jingtho sya ka KHADC bat JHADC bakin pediang ya ka bakum kene ka kendon. Syen ngin satho da ka shiti na kaliang ka Sorkar sya ka KHADC bat JHADC ba makiru ki deban pynkylla ya ka juk ka clause 8 jong ka AD rules bat ban pha sya ulat na ka benta ka jing menjur ulaong.
Garo Hills, the overall law and order situation is cool and calm, and I'm very sure too that people of Garo Hills, especially in the hilly area, because their aspiration is very clear, and that is the demand for amendment of the AD rules. So since the AD rule has been amended, I am very sure they should be happy, and I'm very sure also that the law and order will no longer be there. No, again, see, let me just explain to you. We are so thankful to the Honorable Governor who has ultimately approved the amendment passed by the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council relating to the Rule 8. The Rule 8, where ultimately it was replaced by the word only children, okay? Only children. Then today, the Honorable Governor has approved it, and now the amendment is in place. Then the next step from here is, again, we are working out how to revisit the electoral rule, because the electoral rule again has to be also revisited in this particular case. So now I think tomorrow I'll have a detailed meeting, and ultimately necessary instruction will be given to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Yeah, it is needed. No, for Garo Hills, because in Khasi and Giantia we have electoral rule of only tribal voters. So now, since this amendment is taken place, we have to also be made applicable the practices done by Khasi and Giantia. Again, as I said to you, very soon we are going to write a letter from the government side to both the this council. One is Khasi and Giantia Autonomous Council. We will write a letter to them that they should also amend the very same clause 8 of the AD rules and send to the Honorable Governor